Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about my top crypto stocks as Bitcoin is doing pretty well at $30,000 as a bull market is coming. You got to realize, guys, that crypto coins aren't the only way to get some upside when it comes to getting exposure to cryptocurrency overall. Of course, there are mining companies, there are crypto exchanges, there are crypto companies that people are making right now a lot of money in. And in the last month, they are making way more money actually in these crypto picks that I'm going to talk about in today's video versus then even a lot of crypto coins out in the cryptocurrency market right now. So I want to make you guys aware of this as things are happening right now and for very good reason. If you want to know what the top picks are, stick around to the end of this video to find out, guys. And smash up the like, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you guys. And at 10,000 subscribers, we gave away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And moving forward, guys, if you're a member on the channel, we are doing big giveaways for you and subscribers as well. So make sure you subscribe and look at becoming a member in the link in the description down below. Let's hop right in because today, the overall market cap is just below 1.2 trillion. We're a little bit boring right now. Brand new month in July. We've been in it just for 10 or 11 days now. And typically, guys, July is a bullish month. So I'll tell you what, I wouldn't be surprised if leading up to the FOMC meeting coming up later this month, the 25th, around the 24th, 25th of this month, if Bitcoin starts to rally leading up to that. And then after that event, we'll have to see what happens with the Fed Chair Jerome Powell. But right now, Bitcoin at $30,000. And you got to be wondering out there, okay, sure, I love my crypto coins, but what are the best crypto stocks out there? Well, I'll tell you what, guys. Vanguard, one of the very large asset manager out there, the $7.2 trillion asset manager, matter of fact, which compared to BlackRock is right there, guys. It is right there. $10 trillion versus 7.2. These guys are huge. They now own $560 million worth of Bitcoin mining stocks, which is absolutely incredible. They own $500 million worth of Riot blockchain specifically and Marathon Digital shares, two that I'll be talking about here in this video actually. Now, recently I did a video on this stupid article by Barron saying Coinbase stock is falling after a downgrade. There's just too much uncertainty. Well, let's see what the news story is today. Coinbase soars after reaching the CBOE surveillance sharing agreement for 5 Bitcoin ETF applications. BlackRock, and so many others, Valkyrie, I think ARK Invest, there's some other ones out there. These people that are proposing spot Bitcoin ETFs are using Coinbase for the CBOE surveillance sharing agreement. And what is this doing for Coinbase? It is sending it up. So where's the uncertainty, guys? We believe that a Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved. What's crazy, guys, is a spot Bitcoin ETF has not been approved yet a very, very risky futures, aka leverage trading version of a Bitcoin ETF has gotten approved. That doesn't really make any sense. You saw Grayscale actually come out and complain about it. Grayscale, which by the way might be another good stock pick, which I didn't pull up here. But I'm going to show you guys some of my crypto stock picks that I'm looking at. Of course, not financial advice, but here you go. If you look right now, guys, at Coinbase, in the last year, it's just about flat. But what happened over the last month? Boom. This thing went up from $51 to $89. Almost 100% gain for Coinbase in the last month. That is huge, guys, when you compare it to Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, since the beginning of the year, in the last 4 or 5 months, is actually in the last 7 months now, is up about 75% or so. But technically, guys, Coinbase just in this last month alone printed more gains than Bitcoin has printed in the last 5 or 6 months. But if you look at the last 6 months, it had some ups and then it came back down and really didn't start to perform till last month. But now it has broken up past a couple big resistances. And now you kind of look at last year. If we can break above this $93 and move on up, I expect us to move up to possibly even in a hurry to this $190, almost $200 price level. And there might be a lot more upside, especially if these Bitcoin ETFs get approved. Then Coinbase stock could be fantastic. Now, I have exposure to Coinbase stock in my Roth IRA personally. And I've also got exposure to some of these others, including MicroStrategy Corporation. I have a little bit of MicroStrategy, guys. Right now, again, look at the price action. Here's the last month. from $280 to $412, a 70% gain or so in the last month alone for MicroStrategies. Now, over the last year, it is not up as much as Bitcoin, but it is breaking out in a big way right now. Broke out above the previous high, $352 in the last year. If you go out to the max time frame, you can kind of see what it did in the last bull market. If this thing can break above $700, we might even see this thing back up to like 1,300. This is its previous all-time high in 1998, which is incredible. This is something that we want to see it break out of. And with MicroStrategies buying Bitcoin, MicroStrategies, for those of you guys that don't know, is Michael Saylor's company. He's the CEO of MicroStrategies. MicroStrategies and Michael Saylor have bought thousands and thousands and thousands, I think hundreds of thousands of Bitcoin, which is crazy. And they've got billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin right now. So this company is potentially poised for massive gains. And it has done great over the last month. Another stock that has done fantastic over the last month, actually one of the best performers here, really was all the way down to $9.74. Very close to 100% gains at $17.51. Riot Platforms, which is one I actually have quite a bit of in my Roth IRA as well, where I pick my traditional stock picks. I don't currently hold any stocks that aren't in my Roth IRA. I use my Roth IRA for my stock picks, and I get exposure to more crypto assets in that Roth IRA in my retirement account because I believe in crypto. So that's what this is. My strategy is for this. But some people just straight up buy crypto stocks, and some of these are my personal favorites. Another one that's out there, and by the way, Riot and Marathon are both mining companies, guys. These are cryptocurrency mining companies. They are big competitors, also with a very similar gain from $9.34 all the way up to $17.39. This is what Vanguard is buying. This is what I'm buying. This is what I've been buying before these articles came out. I bought these in the last bull market. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into these in my retirement accounts. Why? Because I want my retirement accounts to get big and beautiful. But guys, what I will say about this is with Marathon, with Riot, with MicroStrategies, with Coinbase, which are my top picks, guys, which are my top picks, I think you need to, if you're getting exposure, take profit before a bear market comes. We got a lot of time for the bull market. Bull market, we know, comes in March of 2024 is the Bitcoin halving. Bull market should start right around then. You could argue we're going into the bull market right now. Eventually, that'll end maybe in 2025, possibly in 2026. You got to take your profit just like crypto coins, guys, and these are highly risky as well. But Bitcoin miners, crypto miners, very successful when a bull run comes. MicroStrategies holding a massive amount of Bitcoin, going to be very successful when the bull market comes. And Coinbase, everybody's using it for the CBOE factor. That's going to be huge when the bull market comes. Those are some of my top picks right now. I don't know anything about this SOS one. It was something I was looking at, but forget about that. But those are my top picks that I want to share with you guys today at a time where Bitcoin is doing pretty darn well, guys. It really has been performing. As you can see, I believe we are going to get up to $32,000. I think there's a lot more upside for these crypto stocks. If you want Bitcoin, Bitcoin's one of my favorite picks of all things when it comes to crypto exposure, period. But if you want to get into some crypto stocks, those are a couple that I'm peeking at. Again, not financial advice, but there's two mining companies for you guys. A technology company with a lot of exposure to Bitcoin, and Coinbase, the leading exchange in the world that recently launched the first crypto exchange stock ticker in the US, I guess, in the last bull market. Didn't even have its chance to shine, guys. That one might be one of the biggest winners. Who knows? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got a DCA, HODL. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got two videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.